नमस्कार। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए लाया हूँ 100 क्वेश्चंस जो यूज़फुल है। हम किसी के भी साथ बात करें जो बेसिक इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं उन लोगों के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। जो लर्नर्स है, जो बिगिनर्स है अंग्रेजी के, उनके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा। तो इस 100 क्वेश्चन को आप लोग बहुत ध्यान से कीजिएगा और जो 100 क्वेश्चंस का कमेंट बॉक्स में सही और सिंपल जवाब देगा उनके लिए एक बहुत अच्छा गिफ्ट मिलेगा हमारे चैनल की तरफ से। तो आइए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। Can I get your phone number? Can I get your phone number? Why are you so sad? Why are you so sad? Do you recognize me? Do you recognize me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? Where are you going now? Where are you going now? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? What is your father's name? What is your father's name? Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? When will you go home? When will you go home? What were you doing there? What were you doing there? Are you with me? Are you with me? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Are you worried? Are you worried? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? When will you go to the market? When will you go to the market? What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Are you there? Are you there? When will you come here? When will you come here? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? Do you speak English well? Do you speak English well? When will you come back? When will you come back? When will you arrive there? When will you arrive there? Will you not go with me? Will you not go with me? When will you arrive home? When will you arrive home? Do you know me? Do you know me? Have you ever seen me before? Have you ever seen me before? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Who do you want to meet? Who do you want to meet? What does your mother do? What does your mother do? How old is your sister? How old is your sister? Where do you live now? Where do you live now? What's your full name? What is your full name? May I come in or may I get in? Have you ever done this before? Have you ever done this before? How long are you staying here? How long are you staying here? Who is calling? Who is calling? Do you like to read books? Do you like to read books? How about you? How about you? Do you need help? Do you need help? When did you do it? When did you do it? Will you have time on Friday morning? Will you have time on Friday morning? Don't you have any shame? Don't you have any shame? What are you looking for? What are you looking for. Where does this route go? Where does this route go? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Do you use Facebook? Do you use Facebook? ये था 50 क्वेश्चंस, बहुत आसान क्वेश्चंस है। इसके बारे में, इन सभी क्वेश्चंस के बारे में आप लोगों को एक ही सेंटेंस में, एक सेंटेंस में जवाब देना है। एकदम सिंपल सेंटेंस में जवाब देना है। अगर आपका 100 क्वेश्चन सही हुआ और जिसका बेटर लगेगा उनको हम बहुत अच्छा एक गिफ्ट देंगे, बहुत अच्छा सा एक गिफ्ट देंगे। और इसके जरिए आपको भी पता चल जाएगा कि आपका इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी कितना स्ट्रांग है। आपका एक इंग्लिश टेस्ट हो रहा है, तो इसमें भी पता चल जाएगा आप कितना जानते हो इंग्लिश में, आपका सेंटेंस का पैटर्न कैसा होता है, इसके बारे में। आगे भी हम ऐसे कुछ चीज़ें लाएंगे, आप लोगों के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा। तो वीडियो आगे बढ़ाते हैं और बाकी 50 क्वेश्चंस को आपके सामने पेश करता हूँ। आर यू ऑन फेसबुक? आर यू ऑन फेसबुक? What happened to you? What happened to you? How much money do you earn? How much money do you earn? Don't you believe me? Don't you believe me? What do you think? What do you think? May I have your name? May I have your name? How do you do that? How do you do that? Is that it? Is that it? What is it? What is it? What is your mother language? What is your mother language? What's up? What's up? यानी what is up? How is everything going? How is everything going? Are you at home? Are you at home? Do you suspect me? Do you suspect me? Do you understand me? Do you understand me? What did you eat this morning? What did you eat this morning? Can I do it? Can I do it? How dare you say that? How dare you say that? Is it yours? Is it yours? Are you sure? Are you sure? What about you? What about you? May I help you? Or can I help you? What is the date today? What is the date today? What is he talking about? What is he talking about? When did this happen? When did this happen? How long have you been standing here? How long have you been standing here? Do you know where he is? Do you know where he is? What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie? Do you know how to ride a bicycle? Do you know how to ride a bicycle? How was your day today? How was your day today? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Can I sit next to you? Can I sit next to you? When do you wake up? When do you wake up? Can you give me some money? Can you give me some money? What will you do now? What will you do now? Do you have any work this morning? Do you have any work this morning? How much money do you need? How much money do you need? Who is he with you? Who is he with you? What brings you here? What brings you here? How old are you? How old are you? What class do you read in? What class do you read in? Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? What are you here for? What are you here for? Can you do it? Can you do it? What does your father do? What does your father do? What is the name of your headmaster? What is the name of your headmaster? Where do you live? Where do you live? When did you come here? When did you come here? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? How did this happen? How did this happen? तो ये था 100 क्वेश्चंस जो आप लोगों के लिए है। आप लोगों को इसके आंसर देना है। इस आंसर्स में आप लोग सिर्फ एक ही सेंटेंस यूज करेंगे। हर एक क्वेश्चंस के जवाब में आप सिर्फ एक ही सेंटेंस का यूज करेंगे। तो आगे भी हम वीडियो लाएंगे, आगे हम स्पोकन इंग्लिश का क्लास लाएंगे। उस क्लास के जरिए आप लोग कहीं भी हो और आप चाहे स्टूडेंट हो या ना हो, फिर भी आप अंग्रेजी सीख सकते हो। तो इसी के साथ हम वीडियो को ऑन करेंगे, लेकिन इससे पहले एक विशेष घोषणा है, एक नोटिस है कि टीचर्स डे के दिन हम एक क्विज कंपटीशन लाइव में अरेंज करेंगे। पहली बार मैं यूट्यूब चैनल में लाइव आऊँगा और आप लोगों को कुछ सवाल पूछूंगा। जो उन सवालों का जवाब देगा उनको मिलेगा एक बहुत ज़बरदस्त गिफ्ट हमारी तरफ से। तो आप भी रेडी रहिए। और वो क्विज कंपटीशन का टॉपिक्स होगा सिर्फ सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन एंड टीचर्स डे। हर क्वेश्चंस 3 लैंग्वेज में होंगे, आसामीज, इंग्लिश और हिंदी। आप चाहे आसामीज मीडियम का हो या इंग्लिश मीडियम का हो, आप क्वेश्चंस का सवालों का आंसर दे सकेंगे। हर क्वेश्चन का ऑप्शन भी रहेगा। तो आप लोग थोड़ा स्टडी कीजिए और टीचर्स डे तक इंतज़ार कीजिए। उस दिन लाइव में सबके साथ बातचीत करूँगा। तो आज वीडियो यहाँ तक था। आप लोग जल्द से जल्द क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दे दीजिए और पाइए एक आकर्षक गिफ्ट हमारी तरफ से। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलना और हिट द बेल आइकन। थैंक्स।